All right, you guys, so this is what my nails look like. I'm going to be giving you a little tutorial. I use polygel. I have different designs on all of them. Like, as you can see, this one is like encapsulated glitter. And then this is kind of like an ombre effect. There's some stars in this one. There's stars all over this one. So I use clear polygel for this. I'm going to show y'all how I achieve this look. And you're basically going to learn how to do polygel with me because this is one of my first times. And I feel like this might be my new go-to. It's amazing. You could do super long nails. You could do super short nails. But since I'm a beginner, I decided to stick with short nails, and I'm super excited to show y'all how I achieved this. The brand that I'm using today is called Makartt. Um, the little logo is right here, Makartt. And they sent me two polygel kits, which I am so grateful and excited to use and show you guys. Like, this is just so pretty to me. And then the other glitter that I'm using is actually from MAC Cosmetics. It's like these little stars. You can get them. You can honestly go into the store and just ask for a sample and they'll give you some in a little jar. I know because I work for MAC. So these are the two glitters I'm using today. I'm going to be inserting a picture right now of the two kits that they sent me. So one came with all like glitters in 3 different color polygels. It's like the clear, the dark pink, or the light pink, and then the white. And then they sent me another one with minis. And the minis are like this big. And one actually comes with one of these lamps. So everything is just bomb, to be honest. Like, I'm so excited about this whole polygel system. I'm going to be using dual forms, which are these little form things. You put the polygel in here, kind of like acrylic. When you watch people do your nails, they do acrylic on top of your nails. The polygel is kind of like the same thing. It's like a gel. And you fill in the dual forms. You lay it over your nail, you cure it, and then you pop them off and literally you shape them, buff them out, put top coat, and you're done. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and sized all of my nails, well, the dual forms that I'm going to be using. So I have my thumbnail, my pointer, middle, my ring, and my pinky nail. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me move it into the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using these two glitters. So I have the white powder glitter, and then I have the stars. And I'm going to be using the clear polygel today. Just kind of do what I did on this hand. So what I do is make sure you're starting off with your like little brush and your spatula clean. I just dip it into the alcohol to clean it. I just go like this. You really don't need a lot, you guys, because I feel like I've been messing up because I've either went using way too little or way too much. You do not need a lot of this stuff, okay? So I'm gonna like a pea size for my thumb, because you can, it's easy to add, but it's super hard to take away, so be careful. I'm gonna dip into some glitter directly, just lay that right on there, and then I'm just gonna start patting that and basically just filling the dual form out, kind of like this. And if it gets too sticky, just dip into your alcohol and continue to lay that out. Then I wipe my little spatula off in my brush, and I move on to the next nail. So for this nail, I'm going to show you guys how I encapsulate the stars. So I'm going to squeeze some polygel. That might have been too much, but we will see. And then I'm going to get some stars. And just bloop. And I am not a professional, y'all. Please do not drag me, okay? Y'all are learning with me. You see the title. You see the title, so don't. Why are you thinking about coming for me in the comments? But for real, if anybody has any tips for me, please let me know, because this is going to be a journey for me. And I'm super excited because I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I do not like getting my nails done. There's nothing I hate more than getting my nails done. It's just so time consuming. They take so long. They cut my skin. Half the time I don't even like it. Like, this is not what I asked for. So this is going to be my new favorite thing to do. Now I'm going to prep my nails. So I'm going to start off by just filing the tops of them. I'm taking some of that pure acetone and just cleaning off the tops. You want to make sure you have a nice clean base for your nails to stick onto. So this is what my nails look like right now. Now I am applying the Soak Off Gel Polish Base Gel. This is the one that came with the Makartt kit. It comes with all of the kits. So I'm going to apply a very thin layer of the gel. So what I like to do is sometimes I go one by one depending on how they act. So you want to press your nail on and then you look underneath because sometimes it can get really like, can you see that? It can get really gooky, like gross underneath. So you might have to smooth that out. So this one looks like it's going to behave. So I'm going to try to do these two together. This one also looks like it's going to behave. So I'm just going to pop all of these on slowly. And if you get any spillage, you take your little alcohol, your brush with alcohol, and you just clean that up because you do not want it to get onto your cuticle. It's going to feel so uncomfortable. Honestly, it's going to hurt. Like, you don't want it to cure on your cuticle. So I'm just making sure everything is smooth. Sometimes it can get a bit overwhelming, so I think I'm just going to cure these three, and then I'll do the other two. So I'm going to put them under the lamp for like 5 seconds, and then I take them out and I continue to press them down because sometimes they can lift and they'll get like little bubbles. You do not want that to happen. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But what I did was I cured the bottom of my nails, and then I stuck these two on. And this pinky nail keeps acting up. So what I'm gonna do is while I stick my finger in there or my hands in there, I'm gonna like press it down so it doesn't pop up. Now you're gonna start popping them off. So how you do that is you want to squeeze the dual form, and then you kind of just wiggle it off, and look, it pops right off. And you can see like the encapsulated glitter. Let me focus it. So you're just gonna squeeze and pop. Squeeze and pop. Y'all, look at how pretty these are. You can see, look at y'all, this is literally a whole, this one broke off. This is the problem I have. So I'm gonna show you guys how I fix my nails that break off like that. But other than that, these ones are pretty bomb. Well, actually, I'm not gonna show you how I fix it. I literally have to take this nail off and fix it. So I'll do this one last, and I'll show you guys how I finish off these nails. So as you can see, I did these nails pretty short. So what I'm gonna do is just clip them down. I did them short. I would love to keep them long, but I just do not know how to shape them yet, and that's gonna take practice. So, and I feel like once I like master the art of polygel, I'll feel more comfortable like having long nails because I know they won't break. But for right now, these nails have been doing me just fine. So I'm just gonna clip down my nails so they're easier to file. I'm just buffing out the tops with a file and filing really close to my cuticle just to smooth that area out. All right, so once that's cured, I'm just gonna file it just like I did the other nails. Taking the top coat and I'm going to lather that, and yeah, you can see instantly that it like just brings the clearness back to life. My fingers look a little dusty, but once you wash your hands, all of that will go away and your cuticles will look nice and all of that good stuff. Okay, this is what my nails look like now that I've taken them out. I really love them, and I'm going to continue to do this polygel until I am perfect, until I can do long nails, until I can get the underneath right. Because as you can see, like underneath, some of my nails are very, very chunky. I am going to get better, so keep learning with me. I hope this taught you guys something. I don't know, because like I said, we're learning how to do polygel now. I will link the Makartt kits down below. If you guys want to purchase them, go right ahead. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any other nail suggestions or videos you want to do, me doing polygel, let me know, because you are going to see a lot of these videos and y'all are going to learn with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love y'all. Look, I'm Wizard Kelly in this video because y'all didn't even see my face. Bye.